Towards the end of the previous month, Google made an announcement in response to Apple's reveal of its September 12 launch event. Google unveiled that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro would be officially introduced on October 4. Just a little over a week has passed since that announcement, and it's evident that Google is eagerly anticipating its upcoming event. As evidence of their excitement, Google has released 2 teaser videos today. The first of these videos is a more conventional teaser, offering fleeting glimpses of products such as the Pixel Watch 2 and Pixel 8 Pro. Take a look for yourself. Nevertheless, Google wasn't content with just that. Approximately an hour later, they shared another teaser video, although it could hardly be considered a teaser at all. In just 23 seconds, it essentially provides a full product reveal. Interestingly, the leaks have once again proven to be accurate. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro appear to maintain the same design aesthetics as their predecessors, albeit with some minor refinements here and there. For instance, there's a rumor that the Pro model will include an infrared thermometer on its rear, situated below the LED flash circle, the purpose of which remains a bit of a mystery. Now, when we shift our focus back to the Pixel Watch 2 featured in the first video, it gives off a strong sense of déjà vu. Doesn't it closely resemble the original Pixel Watch? We can only hope that the improvements for this iteration are hidden beneath the surface, and let's be honest, when we say improvements, we really mean better battery life, and you likely interpreted it the same way. That's it for today. Now, what are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.